I don't normally order plants from Baker Creek. I order seeds from them, but not normally plants, because in the past they've sent me these little tiny, teeny weeny plugs that are really hard to get healthy, and they don't always look like they're in the best of health. But here we've got some boysenberries, which allegedly can't grow here, but I've had them growing here before, so we're gonna try these. And they sent them to me a bit early. And also I think I have some golden raspberries in here somewhere. So we're gonna, right here in fact. These already look like they're not happy, so let's get them out of here. And I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do with them, because it's gonna be 16 degrees tonight. It's like 56 degrees out right now, which is crazy, and it's going down to 16. So if I put them into dirt tonight, that's probably not gonna go well. So if I leave them out here, it's also not gonna go well in 16 degree weather. I shipped these way too early. What am I gonna do? Oh boy. Alright, well, I mean, I can put them inside for the night, but that's way too warm. Oh, wow, this is a situation here. I gotta figure out what to do. Found some potting soil that's not frozen here, so I'm gonna plant the pots in here, and then I guess I'm gonna stick them inside somehow. I'm not sure where they are going inside, because I have cats, and they will absolutely chew on these plants and try to poop in here possibly, so we don't want that. What you guys didn't see is when I got back home from the back 40, like 8 of my chickens were loose, and that's really stressful right now with this bird flu thing, so that's driving me fucking crazy. The ducks and the goose still contained, but the birds, the chickens were loose, and that's just, they're just asking for it. So everybody needs new coops in order to be here, in order for me to continue to have birds this year. They need the coops I had over a decade ago, and A-frame coops that can be moved around on pasture, where all the birds are contained and they don't get loose and they're not exposed to other wild birds. So let's get our golden raspberries and boysenberries planted in here, and then figure out where the hell these pots are living for now. Well, even though these look like absolute crap right now, I've picked off most of the dead pieces. There's a lot of broken parts. These were in a sealed bag, and they just got mashed in the mail and looked pretty messed up. But I'm hoping they recover. They're gonna have to come into the house for a few days. I'm gonna have to put them somewhere where the cats can't get at them, maybe under grow lights, and put them outside when it is appropriate to do so in this area, which is not right now, especially the boysenberries. It's going to be 16 degrees tonight. They will absolutely not flourish, or even make it maybe if I keep them out tonight, so these are going to go in. Of course, if I had a greenhouse, this wouldn't be an issue. I'd just toss them in my greenhouse, but here we are. So, quick update on the Baker Creek plants that came a little bit ago. Today's like April 3rd, I think, or something. I forget. It's been, I don't know, maybe almost a week. So most of the growth on the plants died. This is probably why a lot of nurseries like to ship dormant bare root plants instead of plants that have leafed out. Because, I mean, that's all that's left of this one right now. And this is just a stick. We got a stick here and a stick here. And these 4 in the middle are bouncing back a lot faster. You can see the new growth right here on this fall gold raspberry. It's all new growth here, and this one leaf that managed to hang on is not looking great. It's got a little new growth growth down here. This one's got new growth here, here, up here, and over here, and then these older leaves are not looking so great. You can see on this boysenberry how just burnt those leaves are, and new growth right there, and some more down at the bottom. Hey, you're not supposed to be in here, Mr. Spooky. And on this boysenberry over here, yeah, this leaf made it, but this new growth looks a lot better, doesn't it? So, hang on, I have to do a cat relocation here. Spooky, seriously? Dude. Yes. This is one of the few rooms in the house where I can keep the cats out of, so it's become the emergency plant room. So 4 of these have bounced back quickly, 4 haven't, and the other 3 here haven't shown any signs of bouncing back yet. So waiting to see what happens with that. Baker Creek did resend the order. So I don't know how many of these are gonna actually bounce back and make it. And they looked pretty haggard when they got here. I think they shipped the order yesterday, April 2nd, and it's not supposed to get here till the 7th, so I'm not expecting a happy second round of plants either, but I'm gonna save as many as I can here. I mean, I didn't even know these 4 in the middle would make it when I emailed them. They were all looking kind of like this at the time. And, yeah. So, I'm hoping these other ones bounce back, but nothing yet. I've got them under a LED grow light in here, and I'm, kind of hiding out in here every morning, checking on my plants and avoiding watching the news, because there's just so much horrible shit going on right now. They just cut low-income heating for people, and I personally know people affected by that, and all the other unbelievably horrific shit going on right now. And yeah, I think right now, just need to find our happy place and have a way to sort of escape the news for a little bit and not do so much doom scrolling, I guess. I mean, doom scrolling should be, you know, scrolling through channels with doom music and not scrolling through the news and seeing just how everything is falling apart and becoming a horrific shit show. Those who don't learn history are doomed to repeat it or something.